The Starlit Sonata. In a quaint town where the river hummed melodies of old and the cobblestone streets remembered the footsteps of generations, there lived a 20-year-old named Ava with eyes like the dawn and a spirit as bright as the twilight star. Ava had a passion for music, and her days were spent weaving notes into songs that echoed through the valleys and over the hills. But every night, when the world tucked itself into the shadows, Ava felt a whisper in her soul, a call to a world unseen. One such night, under a tapestry of stars, Ava discovered an ancient piano, hidden in the attic of her ancestral home. Its keys glimmered with an ethereal light, and as she played, the music didn't just fill the room, it filled the cosmos. The piano had a secret. With each note played, it opened a doorway to the dreams of those who listened. That night, Ava played a sonata that spilled out into the streets, seeping through windows and under doors, carrying with it the dreams of every listener. As her fingers danced over the keys, the character in the photo you shared, a girl named Lila, stepped out of the portrait hanging above the piano. Lila's smile was warm, and her eyes sparkled with the magic of the melody. She spoke to Ava, her voice soft as the velvet night. "Every melody you play awakens the dreams of the sleepers," Lila said. "But what of your dreams, dear Ava?" Ava paused, realizing she had been so busy igniting the dreams of others that she had neglected her own. Lila took Ava's hand, and together they stepped into the music, into a realm where the sky was painted with auroras and the stars pulsed to the rhythm of Ava's sonata. In this dreamscape, Ava found her dreams waiting for her, dreams of stages under spotlights, of orchestras at her command, of melodies that could heal hearts. Lila showed her that to inspire others, one must also chase their own dreams. As dawn approached, Lila and Ava returned to the attic. The piano's glow faded with the night, and Lila returned to the portrait, her smile immortalized in paint. Ava never forgot the night of the Starlit Sonata, and she carried its magic with her. She played with a new fire, a new purpose, for she knew that her dreams were as important as the dreams she inspired in others. And every night, as she closed her eyes, she whispered a thank you to the girl in the portrait, who had shown her the way. May your dreams be as vivid and beautiful as Ava's Starlit Sonata, filled with the magic and music of your own making. Good night.